Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Okay, so first I need to know what kind of case is it? Okay, what has been stuck since 2013? If, for example, you're a U.S. citizen and you petitioned him and he qualifies for adjustment of status, then obviously there is a major problem. There is no way that it would be stuck for 9 years. There's no way. However, um, are there issues? Does he have a criminal history? Are they saying he's inadmissible? Did you guys move? So perhaps they did issue a decision, except you never received it. Did he apply for asylum? And what was the outcome of the asylum case? Maybe he applied for asylum and he got referred to immigration court and he never appeared, and maybe he has an order of deportation in absentia. And maybe when you applied to adjust, USCIS doesn't have jurisdiction to listen to the case, and maybe you need to go back to immigration court to do a motion to reopen, so that they can retake jurisdiction. Did your husband enter the country legally or illegally? Is he under 245I? Does he have parents that petitioned before? How long did you know him before you got married? I mean, there's tons of questions I would need to ask you to determine what the actual case is. Now, let's assume that it's a decent case that was filed and should have been approved. This by far exceeds the time necessary, so we would have to sue immigration. That would be under what's called a writ of mandate or writ of mandamus. That will force them, the idea is to force them to make a decision. Now, it doesn't force them to say yes. By making a decision, they could certainly say no. So you never want to do a writ of mandate unless you have a good case. But I can tell you, of all the ones I've filed over 30 years, not one has actually had to go to court. All of a sudden, either what I'm asking for gets approved, or the U.S. attorney will send me a request, say, what do you want, type thing. Because the U.S. attorney can't realistically go in front of a federal judge and go, well, Your Honor, we know it's been 9 years, but we just need a little more time to make sure that the marriage is real, and so forth. They can't realistically do that. They don't want to. So, some people say, well, won't a writ of mandate get immigration mad if you do that? Well, maybe, but it makes them make the decision. That's what you need. That's what you want. Okay?